The Transport Department has commenced suspension of driving licenses based on the recommendations from the traffic cell of the Goa Police. There's also cases booked by the executive staff of our department for the 6 offences that have been highlighted by the Supreme Court Monitoring Committee for the period from 1st October 2016 till 28th February 2019. For red light jumping, 851 licenses have been suspended. Overspeeding, 1935. Overloading in goods carriages, 8. Carrying person in good carriages, 317. Using mobile phone while driving a vehicle, 1681. And driving under the influence of drinks or drugs is 1573. Total 6,365 licenses have been suspended of drivers for commission of violation of these 6 offences, which have been under strict scrutiny.